slap, hit. Okay, so this is what is called in Jun Fan Kung Fu, this is what's called a pak sao, which literally translates to slap, hand, and hit. Now, a lot of times if you watch a Bruce Lee movie, like Enter the Dragon or so on, they'll start in a height bridge reference point and then Bruce would go boom and just blast his opponent with this back fist or the da, okay? A lot of times this motion or trapping motions in Jun Fan get a lot of flack. Oh, they'll never work in MMA, it's hard to pull off against a fast punch. I get that. But just because you can't apply it one way, does not inherently mean that it cannot be adapted and applied otherwise. And so, for me, I don't have a lot of power on my right hand, my right arm. And so for me, instead of more of a violent slapping, hitting motion, Kempo, right? So this becomes my checking hand. And so if I'm deflecting even a grab, I can just pop it in back fist, or pop an eye jab, or pop an elbow, whatever it is. This is just a checking hand. For me, it's more of a mirroring hand. But if you're able-bodied, you can really get that slapping motion and pin the arm into the body. So here, and bang, or bang, or bang, or the eye jab, or the palm strike, palm heel, whatever works. From a grappling perspective, this is where I like to apply it most. Okay, so if we're clinched up and I feel someone's hand coming to grab me, I'll just pin it to their chest and I'll grab their collar or in their gi. So it's the same motion, I'm just grabbing onto to their gi. Or if they're coming to push or grab or push me, I'm just clearing it and I'm reaching over and maybe I'm going this way and getting like a pike position. It doesn't matter. The point is it still can be used. Even if we're MMA and we're pinned against the cage, I can still pin that hand momentarily and come over the top and give you a little punch to the face. It's still a pak sao, however you hit it. No pun intended. However it is. I mean, it can be, I can hit the hand down and then come around for a joust out and to clinch the back of the head and throw that elbow. So trapping works. You just, again, have to get out of your own way and see how other things can be applied. Just because Bruce Lee can do one motion quick and be a badass doing it does not mean that everybody else is going to be able to do it the same way. So I just want to leave that thought with you guys. Practice this at home. Take it into your gym. Even in Muay Thai, lastly, even if someone throws a jab and pulls it back, I can step with, you can step with that and then check that retreating hand. Boom, whenever it is, it works. Trust me, just play with it. Peace.